Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone that watched my video. So basically, my task today is to inspect the two defects on the building that I have been chosen, which is the B20 at the Ambang Asuhan Jepun. Okay, hi. So we exactly at the first defect, which is I found there is some of the decay paper and the moss growth on the fascia board, which is made by timber. Which as you can see, the area is filled with the moss growth. So let's check whether there is a moisture or not using the moisture meter. You can check there's the moisture around 23.2, which is there is an existence of moisture. So how the moisture came to this defect is basically from the rainwater. So basically I'm at the external area of the building, which is the rainwater just pour into this area, and then the long time exposure of this fascia board make the timber become decay, and now there is the moss growth on this area. So this is the first defect that I've been found. Okay, so how to repair this fascia board on this area? Okay, so firstly we must test whether this fascia board is still strong enough or not. So basically in this area that you can see the fascia board is a little bit is not strong. So then how can we repair is we just change the fascia board into the new one. Okay, so then, and also how do we cure this area, because basically after this the rainwater still pour into this area, so that we can cover this area with some of the material that not have some refraction from the moisture or the rainwater. Okay, so next we have found the second defect on this building, which is there's a structure crack on this area. As you can see, there's some gap and some of the detachment between the building apron and the structure of the building. So as you can see, in this area there is some hole, which is some of the detachment between the building apron and the structure of the building. So let's check this defect so that we can find whether this is only the small crack or structure crack, or maybe the plaster crack. Okay, so in this area we just put maybe the paper, just put into this area. Okay, so it cannot go through, then we clip this area, then we get. So basically this is how the depth of the crack. So if we look on the ruler, it is around 2.7 cm, which is 275 mm. So basically this can be called a structure crack because it is a little bit deeper. So basically how this defect can occur is because of maybe the area is on the hillside, and maybe there is some of the soil movement and the foundation, or maybe soil settlement, which is make the building apron detach from the structure of the building. So basically that's how the crack can be occurred on the buildings. Okay, then so what how the remainder works can be made is, so if you can see the crack is around this building. So which is firstly we must clean all the debris, the dust from this area, and then we can use like the epoxy and then just grouting throughout this area, and then we can secure the area from the crack. So basically that's how we do the repair on the structure crack. Okay, so that's all for the two defects that have been found on the B26 building on the Ambang Asuhan. Okay, thank you.